took a long, long trip to the city. I was determined to get somewhere, and I spent all my hard-earned money that I saved to get me there. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. I took a guitar picking job in Memphis, and the people there treated me good. But my luck ran bad in Nashville, had to walk the streets of Hollywood. Whoa. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, down on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. Well, Lord, I'm going home, where the fish jump in the air, and I won't have to have no money, 'cause I ain't going nowhere. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, out on the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. Big Bayou, where do you go? To the river running slow, to the Gulf of Mexico. Big Bayou, carry me home. Carry me home. Keep going, keep going. Here we go.
Well, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner, and that was a Gilbo song.
You know, I did that because Ann was here a couple weeks ago. Ann Gilbo, she was here
Yes.
for the anniversary, and I was meant to do it that night, and I never
It
never
got
got
tired.
around to
I
it.
know.
So I wanted to do it tonight. So that goes out to you.
And if you're watching, you know we love you, and of course we all love Gib. So, yeah, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota and for our little hour show. Did you the week? What was the week like this week for you and the family and everybody?
Somehow I got through it.
Yeah, well, we're here.
Oh, I know. Colleen was still out of town.
Oh, is she home now?
She's coming home tonight. So I got to get back and clean up.
I love it. Clean the house.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Anyway, Gary,
Yes.
how you doing?
Well, I stayed inside because I thought it was snowing all week, and I saw the window was just dirty.
Well, it's been raining a lot. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I'm in Oregon or something. Cody,
Yeah.
anything happening?
Oh, everything.
Everything? Too much to talk about?
Too much.
Too
Just
much?
Too
Well-
much. We don't have enough time.
Well, let me tell you this. Happy to have you. Whenever Cody comes up, I feel safe.
That's right.
Palmer,
Everybody.
what's the deal?
Been a long week, Daddy-O.
Has it? Well, I hope it was a long, good week.
Well, some of it.
All right, I said hi to the boys. We're going to go on with the music. We might have Dr. Teresa is going to get up later to do a song. Of course, our last minute guest artist this week is Tom Paul Wilson.
All right.
And he walked in tonight to do his thing here with the engineering, and I said, "Did you bring a guitar with you?" He said, "Yeah." I said, "Good, because you're playing." so we got him coming up in a little bit. What are we doing?
Merle.
Okay, do it.
Count off, John Palmer.
What are you doing?
Started loving you.
Do it up a little.
G.
I might sit down on this one.
How's that sound?
G.
G.
1, 2,
G. G.
everybody.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I'd get back with only 3 million tears I cried. I should have known started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my party mend. And today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
Man, that sounded just like the record to me.
What record? How'd you got to bring up my criminal record for?
You learned that song in jail, didn't you?
I learned it.
Everybody else was singing it back then. That's where they were doing it. So, Paul.
Yes,
Cody,
Conan.
you ready to sing yet?
Cody,
You got to be a little careful with Cody.
Let's hit, I've got a whole
You got a whole bunch of...
show worked out, but let's have Paul because I'm still on this.
All right, Paul.
All right. Key of C. 4/4 shuffle. Whiskey River. A 1, a 2, a 1. Well, I'm drowning in a whiskey river, and I'm bathing my memory mind in the wetness of its soul. Feeling the amber current flow across my mind and warm the empty heart you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. Yeah, I'm drowning in a whiskey river, bathing my memory mind in the wetness of its soul. Feeling the amber current flow across my mind and warm the empty heart you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River,
we're gonna say hello to Charlie Sauter's Gaming and the Killer. Chillers. Oh, I thought she said Killers. Okay, Chillers.
Killers,
Well, we're
chillers.
saying hi to Charlie. You know, Charlie's going to be in town, I think, in about a week.
Come on, Charlie.
And he's going to do, he's doing the show with us. I think it's going to be next Sunday. My son's going to be here doing the show, and he might do the following week. What do you think of that?
That's great.
So we're going to have some fun with my boy.
Hey, I saw my son today, by the way.
Scott!
Yeah.
Scott, I love you. Where'd you
I
see
I
him?
had to drive out to March Air Force Base to see him.
Oh, my God.
But it was worth it. It was worth the
Absolutely.
drive. Yeah, we hung out. We had some breakfast. We had some fun.
He's such a wonderful man.
Oh, yeah, he's
He
doing
turned
great.
into a fine young man.
Indeed. Not so young anymore, you know.
You know, I remember we were having lunch at Love's Barbecue with Paul and my brother Tony, and we used to, back in those days, how old's Scott now?
Scott is 40 years old.
Okay, so 40 years ago, you had just had the baby. He wasn't even born yet, was he?
I don't think he was born
I
yet.
don't think he was
He's like
born yet.
coming
We
in
just
a-
knew you were going to have a
Yeah.
baby. And we're all at Love's having barbecue, and my brother Tony walks in with a little, what's it,
Like
a three-wheel, big wheel?
Like a
thing?
big wheel, yeah. Like
Little
a
plastic
tricycle
thing
kind
that,
of a
that,
thing.
that a little boy, you know, a little baby would play with. He gave it to Paul. He said, "Here, Paul." He said, "When the kid gets big enough, he'll have fun with this," and he did.
He did. Yeah, Tony said, "You probably think this is a pretty funny gift for a newborn,
Well,
but someday the day
he'll
will come."
come and do it.
And it did.
Anyway, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and I will say that last song you just sang, for me personally, was what I call a workout. But anyway, but everything else was good. Cody,
It did have.
you
four
can't.
chords.
It had four
is.
chords.
It had four chords.
Well,
which
that's what
is-
threw me off. Anyway,
Contrary to the mission statement.
I think I put my vest wrong. Wait, did I miss a
What?
button? Yeah, right there.
Your vest come down.
You got
fancy
one?
Fancy
It was
microphone.
four chords and pretty close to the truth.
You're right.
I'd like to say hello to Charlie myself. You hogged the mic and I couldn't say
Sorry.
Yeah.
hi to Charlie.
That's why.
Charlie.
You know why I did that? Because that's my show.
He's the most
So, you know.
talented Sardo.
He is the best. Absolutely. All right, Cody.
4 chords and a total fabrication. All right, QG. Why this hit me just before the show? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I like G. With gloom, despair, and agony on me, deep dark depression, excessive misery. If it weren't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. Gloom, despair, and agony on me. Does anybody watch here? Oh, let's go up to A. Boom. With gloom, despair, and agony on me. Deep dark depression, excessive misery. With it weren't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. Gloom, despair, and agony on me. dark depression, excessive misery. If it weren't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. Gloom, despair, and agony on me. Gloom, despair, and agony on me.
You know that song makes me cry.
Hee-haw. That's all right. I can't hear over the applause right now. It's,
So who did that song?
Hee-haw.
See if I've heard it years. That's an
It
old
was
one.
a Junior Sample, and who was it?
Archie Campbell,
Archie Campbell. Yeah.
Jeez.
All the
Gordy,
heroes.
Gordy, what's his name?
Cheerful song.
Yeah.
It is, and it has something to say.
God bless him. Anyway, hope it sounds okay out there, folks. Every week we kind of struggle a little bit with the PA and things we're trying to do, and
The knobs.
some are better than others.
The knobs.
So we're standing here. Who's going to do what? You got another one, Gary?
I got one.
Well, there's a one for the money, two for the show. You get ready now. Go, get go. Won't you? Step on my blue suede shoe. Do anything. I will shoot. Knock me down, my face. Writing my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Wanna lay off. You knock me down, in my veins, writing my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. I'm honey, lay off then, don't you? Step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything on my blue suede shoe. Blue suede shoe, blue suede shoe, blue suede shoe, blue suede shoe. You can do anything off of my blue suede shoe. Let's do it again. Blue suede shoe, blue suede shoe, blue suede shoe. Oh, baby, you know the blue suede shoe. You can do anything. Lay off of them shoes. Give me the drum solo right now. Wait a minute. Hey, woo! Think what he could have done with Tim Song. Can you turn the camera over here to Buck Owens? No, he's over there. He looks at me the whole show like that.
Buck?
It's a good thing he ain't here.
He must like you playing.
I don't think so. He's looking at me
You
like
never looked at me like that.
that was not the right note you played there, boy.
You know. Anyway, so we're here at Bob Smith Toyota with our Carmine's Country Corner show every week that we do, and we're going to get Dr. Teresa up right now and do in the key of G, Crying Time. And you know, Ray Charles had a really great cut on that. I mean, boy, it was good. Come on over, honey, or we're going to make you do it. Yeah, come on up. Oh, you want to take the mic? Sorry. Hold on a second. That's not going to work. Just got to use that cord. Just take the cord off.
What's that?
See, look,
Oh, you just use the cable.
yeah, just kind of. Yeah, because this is condensing now. I gotta remember that. There you go. See if you got
Yes.
it. Okay.
All right.
Kia G, how do you want to tell us?
Gee, hi guys.
151 in G.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, it's crying time again. You're going to leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. They say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and that tears are really rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I lived to be 100 years old. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh, they say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and that tears are really rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I lived to be 100 years old. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. That it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh yeah. Boy, these guys are talented, aren't they? Thank
Well,
you.
so are you, and thanks for coming up.
Thank-
And we'll do it again.
Now?
We're gonna do one more, then I'm gonna get Paul Wilson. Teresa, thanks for coming up, honey.
Oh, thank you.
Always good to see you.
Thank you.
So, am I gonna do one?
If you want to,
Let's do it.
it's your show.
Well, I'm gonna do Blue and Broken Hearted of Me again.
And this is also a Gilbo song, right? Is it?
He didn't write it.
He didn't write it, but he did it.
He did a great job.
And now you're going to do it.
Look up 1983 Hee Haw, the Flying Burrito Brothers. I think it was 1983. Look it up on YouTube, and Gibb did this song on the Hee Haw show. And man, he just nailed it. I'm telling you, God, I love that guy. One, two, three. Blue and broken hearted me. I'm holding to a memory. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. And I never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. You got it, Gary. And I can't explain the way I feel. And every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, it's blue, it's blue. It's blue and broken hearted me. And I'm holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, it's blue. And it's broken hearted me. Nicholson, I'm a very good friend, very close with my son Jason, and you could use this, I guess, and I'll have to raise it up for you. Okay, appreciate it. Marcus and me. So much. Here you go, buddy.
I'm double parked, man. I got a lot of time, so let's get on this, boys. All right. I want to say hello to Marble Falls. I used to live in Jonestown, Texas. Marble Falls.
I was in Marble Falls, sure.
Oh, yeah, that's where your boy's at.
My son,
And
that's how
I'm very familiar with that neighborhood, and I love it.
place. Beautiful
Yes,
place.
it is. Texas. Wonderful place, man. On the long, lonesome highway, east of Omaha, you can listen to the engines rolling out as one long song. You think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Your thoughts will be wandering the way they always do. When you're riding 16 hours, there's nothing left to do. It don't feel much like riding. Wish the truth was true. Here I am on the road again. Here I am up on the stage. Here I go playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. You walk into a restaurant, you're strung out from the road. You feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. And you pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. And later in the evening, when you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what you said. All right, don't let him tow it.
Too late.
E. I hear the train a coming. It's coming around the bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, said, always be a good boy, don't you mess around with guns. And I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Now I hear that lonesome whistle, I hang my head and cry. Ready? Hold on. Now hold that on. Is it? Are they coming? Hurry up, fellas. Man, my car's getting towed. I bet there's Rick's folks eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and they're smoking big cigars. Well, I knew I had it coming. I knew I can't be free. Those people keep on moving, and that's what touches me.
Oh, man. He had to get out of here in a hurry.
Exit stage left.
Well, I hope they didn't tow the man's car. That's all I got to say. Tom, thanks a lot. That was fun.
I got a song about that.
Let's do it.
Towed away, towed away, towed away, towed away. Where do you go when you're towed away? I wrote that.
I like it.
Yeah, I wrote
I
that.
thought it was serious.
On my 16th
I
album.
should have known better. What do you got?
Should have known. Okay. I had to request. I'm lying. Nobody requested. I was gonna try.
I'll tell you one thing. You know how to keep a show moving. I'll tell you that
Keep
much.
it
Go ahead.
going.
There it is. I love this song.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. takes you by the hand, gonna do me wrong, do it right. Baby, gonna break my heart all to pieces. Then walk round that door and leave me alone. Take off your wedding ring when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right.
Great song, man. Well, we got about 6 minutes left, and I love the way you do that song.
I love the way you
Great.
love the way I do.
Great song, great song. Paul,
Yes, sir.
it's been a while. Do another one.
Let's do one.
Do a 6-minute
I
song.
want to
about-
thank you all for watching. Thanks for all the kind comments. You people write in, you are so good. We appreciate, doing the show now over 3 years, I can say. We're working on our 4th, and it's been a lot of fun for the guys, a lot of fun for me. And with all the ups and a little bit of downs and a little bit of ups and everything with the, we get through it.
82 million people have watched the
Well,
show
they're
so
good. No,
far.
they haven't. No, we're lucky to get
It's
300-400 if we're
182
lucky.
million people.
Yeah. But anyway, we're having a fun time doing it, and we have a lot of loyal fans. I mean, we got a little group that watch us like every week, and I love it. And then we get new people in and out. Now we are now on YouTube. Are we on Twitch, Twitter, or something? What else are we on?
We're on Grindr, which is a little awkward sometimes.
No. would you say Twitch? Is there one called Twitch? If you got a Twitch somewhere, put on Twitch and watch the show. And we're on Twitter too, right?
Grinder, I don't know.
What? Cody, when I need your help, I'll ask for it. I'm struggling over here. What?
This ain't help, I think, at this point. But.
Oh, Cody.
Tune in to www.twit.com.
Anyway, so we're on a few more places, and so it's kind of fun. Okay, what are we doing, Paul?
Let's do this thing in E. In E.
Whatever it is.
151. It's a shuffle. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, blue ain't the word for the way that I feel, and the storm is brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream. I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonesome all the time. So take back these treasured dreams I had for you and me. Take back all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy arms will hold somebody new, but right now I'm so lonely all the time. Crazy arms that
I want to do one more. I want to sing Clayton Delaney, and then we'll go out. So we're going to go like 5 minutes over.
That puts us into time and a half, doesn't it, Carmine?
Yeah, I got to pay you more money now.
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died, and they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried, and it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, hey, I'm jabbing it up here. They said it got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Well, I guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned picking up the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Somebody play it. Understand. And I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. If I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned picking up the lovesick blues. When Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died, and nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do, but it could be that good lover likes to pick and choose. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Good night, folks. That's the show. We'll see you next week. Don't be late. Thank you, Dr. Teresa, and thank you, Tom Paul Wilson, for helping us out. We'll see you later. Good night, guys.